to host in this Aula Magna, that is very old, two great scientists that, like Professor Yung-Chi Cheng, I hope to say it correct, and Professor Peter Matthews. Particularly because I am also a pharmacologist, physician and pharmacologist, and I have worked for many years in the same field as they, and listen to, read the title of your presentation, both presentation, to me, I just have the opportunity to remember my title and my work when I started as a pharmacologist. So, the experience on drug discovery, on pharmacology, in our university we had the opportunity to have a big tradition on pharmacology, on microbiology, and so it's